Today we're going to be looking at a sneaker that has adjectives like game changer, iconic in sport and in culture, one of the best selling trainer of all time, timeless, the list goes on. Today we're going to be reviewing the Adidas Superstar FX5537. But before we get into the normal B-roll, this channel has received over 40,000 views since its existence. That's epic. I can't believe that. That is 40,000 possible people that have seen this mug. And that is crazy, to be honest. That is really crazy that people have tuned in to watch something that I've produced. So I never thought that that would happen. My subscribers are low, but to be honest, it seems like the channel is getting momentum. It is getting momentum. So thank you for all that have supported. Thank you all that have participated in this journey. And thank you all who are watching now and are new to this channel. And if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Also, if you like what you're hearing, add a little comment below and share if you can. Without further ado, let go. Adidas said that these superstars are a tribute to the hard work that people put into creating stuff. So this is meant to be a tribute to that. And the splatters is meant to symbolize an artist, painter, who has put in the hard work, and you can see that some of the mess that is created. So the Adidas trainer reflects that on the upper. So you can see that it's got the splatter effects and it's got some primary colors. Got the blue, red, green, yellow that is splattered, not only covering the medial and lateral side of the trainer, also the back, tongue, and the insole of the trainer. Adidas went in, it's just explaining that, boy, this is the hard work. It covers everywhere. Sometimes it gets messy, sometimes it's clean. The only places that are not covered on this trainer is the shell toe, midsole and outsole, which has got that clean white effect. I think it is a okay look. There is a black version of this with a brownish type splatter and like camo type color, brown, green, I think. Between both of them, I'm not sure which one is the better look, but just looking at them fresh, I think I would lean towards the black version. These retail at 80 quid, and at this moment on the Adidas website, you won't be able to get them. If you do want to get them, probably best to hunt around on the internet and see if you can get any that is left from other retailers. So this Superstar silhouette has been around since the late 60s, 70s, and they are iconic. They've lasted decades. However, the initial reason for these trainers was to compete with the Chuck Taylors. So essentially, Adidas thought, hold on, I need to get into the NBA basketball world and compete against the Chuck Taylors. And they actually succeeded. And this is where the Superstar changed its name. It was actually originally called the Super Grip, and they changed it to Superstar to symbolize the superstars of the NBA. actually taking, endorsing and getting involved with that trainer. However, over a period of time, Superstar started to die down. And towards the 80s, Superstars were on its last leg. Until Adidas managed to strike a deal with a group called Run DMC. Now, if you know who Run DMC is, you know that that was the best thing since sliced bread for Adidas. And Adidas managed to get these guys to wear these shoes, and all of a sudden, Run DMC, with their talent and their skill as rappers, blew up and also took these trainers with them. So there was a massive culture take-up of these trainers. In the hip-hop world, these were the sneakers to rock. Quality of this sneaker is good, the leather is decent. I advise you to check out a channel called Rose Alvin, who actually splits these trainers apart and then goes through the detail of the leather, basically the materials of the trainer. I really enjoy his content because, you know, splitting the trainer, no one gets to see what the insides look, and he also is an expert in looking at materials, especially around leathers. So he'll explain to you the type of leather and whether they're good or bad. He also talk about the outsole, whether the rubbers are good or bad. But yeah, check out his channel, it's quite good. With the inbuilt foam in these trainers, the comfort is unparalleled. It had to cope with the basketball world and the dynamics of being a basketballer and the impact, you know, the stop and starting. So these trainers are quite comfortable. They have the foam that will allow you to get that cushioning that you need. I would say with these trainers, keep true to size. Don't believe you need to go any bigger. They are similar silhouette to Stan Smith's. I think they're slightly wider, but it's a similar silhouette. It's just got almost like the added armor, you know, the shell toe, slightly thicker sole. So it is a Stan Smith, but it's like a Stan Smith on steroids. On conclusion, as we all know, these particular sneakers have been around for a long time. This silhouette, this particular colorway has it, but this silhouette has. I think this sneaker in particular is a nice addition to the amount of colorway this model has. You know, the Superstar has fair, black, patterned, all different types of materials, all different types of style. There was also a recent Simpson one that was out as well. So this trainer's got so many colorways, and then it has the classic, which is the all white, the all black, and the black and white. Those are the classic silhouettes, and you can't go wrong with any of them. This particular colorway, the FX5537, it's not my cup of tea, but I can understand how someone can work with this. Let me know your thoughts, and like that, I'm gone.